Welcome, today I'm showing how to turn off Google Assistant option into OPPO A54s. Firstly, open Google application, this one. Then, in the top right corner we got our Google account icon. Tap it and choose Settings. Then go into Google Assistant. And in this menu, scroll down and find General option, this one. And last, tap here on this feature to turn off Google Assistant and confirm operation, tapping turn off one more time. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.